Welcome, my dear students. Welcome, everyone. This is your teacher, Dr. Osama Kashfa, and we will talk today about the production and some problems in production. But we will start actually with the meaning, like you see here, of the production department and the production function of the organizations, and what we did with it in. The operation function is central to the organization because it creates and delivers services and products, which is its reasons for existing. So that means why the organization is there, why the organization is there, why the company is there, why the entity is there. It's there to produce, to produce. So this is the reason or the existing, the reason for its existing. Operation management is the activity of managing the resources which are devoted to the creation and delivery of services and products. Operations or operation management. Operation management means production management is concerned with managing processes, and all process have initial customers and suppliers. So this is the meaning of operation management. When we talk always, we say production or operation. It means the same. Production management or operation management is the process, look at this, is the process of effective planning and regulating the operations of the section of an enterprise which is responsible for the actual transformation of materials into finished products. The idea depends on the inputs and the outputs. The idea here, because the production is the reason or responsible for changing the inputs into outputs, changing the inputs into outputs. Production and operation management also deal with decision making, but not any decision making, by the way, guys. It's related to the production process. So the decision making related into the production, no more, no less. So that the resulting goods and services are produced in accordance with the quantitative specifications and demand schedule with minimum costs. Usually, one of the main targets about the production management is to reduce the costs. Still, we are working on the aspect of production and operation management. Production and operation management is a set of general principles for production, economics, economies, facility design, job design, schedule design, quality control, inventory, control work study, and cost and budgeting control. So those are, each one of those is a topic that we will handle in the production management. So as example, the production economies will check out like the economic order quantity, will check the lowest quantity that the company has in its stores to reduce the cost to its minimum level. Facility design, how to design the product. Job design. Schedule design, like we've seen Gantt charts, we'll see in critical path method, and all this, which we will handle here in the study. Quality control, inventory control, and cost and benefit, which like we say, the fixed cost and the variable cost and the total cost, and all our topics we will handle here in our studies in this curriculum. Here we go to a very important part, the product triangle. What is the product triangle? The product design, the product marketing, the product development. Three things: product design, product marketing, product development. Those three configure together the product triangle. So here I will know now what are the characteristics of the production system? What are the characteristics of the production system? The first point is that production is an organized activity. So every production system has an objective. So it's not loose or let's do this, let's do that. No, we have a system. Like in anything is having a system. Also production department has a system. The system transforms the various inputs to useful outputs. The main core idea or the main core function of the production system is to change the inputs into the outputs. Is it changing the inputs? We transform the inputs into outputs. It does not operate in isolation from the other organizational systems. Other systems, we have another systems, so they work together. There exists a feedback about the activities, which is essential to control and improve system performance. So it's not the production department is not isolated than other departments. No, they are all working together. They are all working together. So organization is working with the other departments. The other thing is operation management important in all types of companies or entities or organizations. So here we say here that the production management is not important here, but not important in other company. No, it's important in all the companies, and working in all the companies has a vital important in any entity, in any business entity. Okay, we'll stop here now for the moment and we'll have some questions. Our first question today is, we'll put the questions here, new slide. We will have two questions. And remember that the main topic ideas of any video will be the questions which you'll see in the videos. So here, the first question is, what do we mean? Sorry about that. What or define production management. Define production management. This is the first question. Second question is, let's go ahead here on this question and just put second question. What is the production triangle? What's the production triangle? And this is the second question today. Control and C. And here, Control and V. The third question, what are the production characteristics? What are the production characteristics? So we have three questions at the moment. We talk about three questions. And here we have to answer these three questions. Let me just make them 2 and here 3. And enlarge the three questions so that it can be seen here in the monitor. Then put them in this figure. Define production management. This is our first question. what's the production triangle, and what are the production characteristics. We said here, let me go back to the points, to our points, Control and C, here, Control and A, Control and C, then we'll go here and put these questions here on your slides so that it will be okay with you. So here is our first three questions. And the answer, I will give you about 5 minutes to collect the answers. You can also Google search for more details. If you want to go for more details, you can go for Google search. And I will put for you here right now. So here is the answer of the first question. What do you mean by, and here is the answer of the product triangle. And here are the characteristics of the production management. You can get back to them and write them back. You can also search Google for extra or bonus answers for these questions. Shall stop here for around 5 minutes to get your answer, guys, for these three questions before we move forward to another video. Thank you so much. Thank you. Here are the questions. We'll be waiting here around 5 minutes. Thank you. So once more again, today we talk, my dears, about three things. We talk about define the production management or operation management. We talk about what's the production triangle, sorry about that. What about the production triangle? And the third question, what are the production characteristics or what are the production characteristics? And that was the third question. And we had the answers here in the previous pages of our own PowerPoint on our PPT. So I want you to know and get aware of all these points, and you write it down in your own notes. And this is what you came to learn from this video. What did you come to learn from this video or these 3 points? Thank you so much. Shall I see you in the next video? From me to you all love and respect. Thank you. Bye-bye.